Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clothing haul from Pretty Little Thing. I've actually seen their website but never actually purchased anything on it. They actually contacted me and wanted to send me a couple things, and I was like, you know what, it's a perfect time to try their clothing out and see if I like it. And so I'm going to be opening all of these goodies with you guys and trying them on. I've seen a couple people talk about Pretty Little Thing before, but like I said, I've never tried anything from them. Their website looks amazing. It has so many cute things, so I was really excited when they reached out to me. So I picked out 5 things and sent them to them, so hopefully those 5 items are in here. I'm not sure. So if you guys want to see me kind of unbox everything and also try them on, first impressions type video, then let's just jump right in. So the first item is this, and I do remember getting this. I believe this is a cropped kind of sweater. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it definitely is off the shoulder and it's cropped. And the color of this is perfection. I love this color, and I love that it has like a really deep scoop to it, so it's going to sit off the shoulders really nicely. What size did I get in this? Let's see. I got a size small, and the sleeves do look nice as well. They look kind of like a little bit wider than usual, so let's try this on. Okay, so right off the bat, I am obsessed with this. This is so freaking cute. I love this. This is so my style. I love that it's cropped and it's really off the shoulder. It's so freaking cute. I love the cropped detail. I love the bottom of it, how it's kind of tighter down here, so it kind of cinches in. And this is so my style. I would definitely wear high-waisted pants with this, but this is so freaking cute. I'm literally obsessed. So far, I'm super impressed. I love it so much. So let's move on. Ooh, this next item is like this really cute mint green. I remember this is off the shoulder as well, but I don't think this one, no, this one's not cropped. So this is what it looks like. It is such a gorgeous color. I'm obsessed with this color. And again, it's kind of like that waffle knit material, so let's try this on. Alright, so this one is so freaking cute. I am living for this color. I love the off-the-shoulder style. I love that it's kind of like baggy, but also looks kind of cute because you can like kind of slouch it like this. And it just kind of hangs normal in the back. I'm just so obsessed with this color. Like, this color is so freaking cute. I don't remember how much these items were. They did send them to me, so I will leave how much each item is right here, but this is so freaking cute. So far, I'm really impressed, and I really like the quality, and I like the way that they're fitting, and the colors are true to color, which online, this color looked exactly like this, and I thought for sure that when it came in, it wasn't going to be this really bright, kind of really pretty color, but it is, and I'm really excited. So let's see what else I got. Alright, moving on. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this, I believe, is a kind of like bodycon. Yes, this is the bodycon dress. So this is what it looks like. It does look a bit like lingerie, which I don't really mind. It's really cute. I hope this fits. I did get a size 8. Oh, this is a 4. This is a US 4. Yes, so I got a size 4. And this is what it looks like. I'm curious to see how this is going to look on. Let's see. Alright guys, so please excuse the background of this room. It is so messy in here. But this is what the dress looks like, and I actually really like it. It's kind of weird fitting, I will say that. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell here, but it kind of bunches out right here, and then it's really tight like on my thighs. Like when I try to widen my thighs, it's super tight, but then it's like loose in here. But I kind of actually like the way that it looks. I mean, it's not like super form-fitting like I'm used to. I usually like things that are kind of tighter. This kind of like is open here, like it doesn't, do you see what I'm saying? Like this is where usually I'm used to like clothes kind of sucking in, but this kind of stays straight out, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, and I don't know what this is. I guess you can't remove this until you try it on. But I mean, it does, I like the fit of it. I think it's different. I don't really own anything like it. But like I said, it is kind of like straight down here. It doesn't really fit to your curves. So that's the only kind of thing. But other than that, I think it's cute. So I will say that when I'm sitting down, it's much more uncomfortable. Like, it's very tight on my legs. I don't know how I feel about this one. Okay guys, so this next item I definitely did not ask for. It's pretty, but I didn't ask for this and I don't know how it's going to fit. This is in a size, let's see, what size is this? This is in a size 4, and it is a full-length bodysuit dress thing. So we'll see how this looks on me, but I didn't pick this out. I will try to find everything and then link it down below. Hopefully none of it is sold out, but I don't know. I don't know if I could pull this off. Let's try it on. Alright you guys, so this is definitely an outfit that you would wear if you really wanted to show off your boobs. Or you could wear some kind of like lacy bandeau to kind of cover how low this goes. I don't know if you guys can see, like that's my bra, and the bottom of this goes pretty low down. I don't know if it's because it's too big for me. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. It's really cute. Like this I definitely would wear, but it's too long, like way too long here. And it's just not fitting the way I would want. Like I would want it to be kind of more form-fitting, like to my actual waist. I don't know. I feel like it would look way cuter if it was like actually fitting my waist here. I have a lot of extra material. As you can see, it kind of just, I think the problem is that this is just too big, which I'm a size, I thought I would be a size 4, but I guess not. So maybe my mom can like fix that and maybe make it so that it actually fits me. And the bottoms are, again, like too long. Oh, this would have been cute if it fit me. Alright, moving on to the last item. Oh yes, which is just a, I did ask for this. This is just a plain gray kind of high neck crop top, but what I liked about it was the back of it has like this hole cut out. I thought it was cute. So this one I got in a size 6, which I'm glad because this looks pretty tiny. So the sizing is hard because in the silk dress I got a size 4 and I feel like it fit, but it was tight in my legs, but it was like kind of loose in the midsection. And then this, which I didn't ask for, is a 4, but it's like falling off of me. So I'm confused with that. And then this is a 6 and it looks very tiny. So let's try this on and hope that it fits. Alright guys, so this actually fits really nicely. I would say that you could probably get away with not wearing a bra with this because the back of it definitely does show your bra unless you wore like a really pretty bralette, which would actually look really pretty. I don't know, I just really like the way it fits. It is very tight, like definitely tight, so I'm really glad I got a size 6. So that completes this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful if you've been looking at Pretty Little Thing and you wanted to see like what the sizing was. I would say definitely be careful when you're ordering things. Make sure you're measuring, make sure you're looking at the material and things like that. But overall, I would say my favorite things were definitely the sweaters. I think they're so cute. I'm going to wear those so much. So this haul was definitely worth it because those 2 items are going to be worn a lot. I do really like this top. I think it'd be really cute with high-waisted jeans, and the black dress is cute. I think that I'll wear that in the summertime, but the jumpsuit, like the full, I don't know what you would call that, the full length kind of bodysuit type thing, I'm probably never going to wear just because it doesn't fit me. But other than that, I really liked these items and I probably will definitely order more things from them in the future. Their stuff online looked really, really fun and different. So if you guys have never checked out Pretty Little Thing, I will leave the link down below. I'm not getting paid to do this video, but they did send me these items for free, so I'm not going to make any money off of it or anything like that. Just thought I would clear that up. Give me a thumbs up if you guys still enjoy hauls. I love doing them so much. I think that hauls are so fun, especially clothes. I'm just such a fashion person. Like, I love clothes. So yeah, that wraps up this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!